Autobiography of President Manuel L. Quezon. I was born a poor man, the son of a school teacher in one of the smallest towns in the Philippines, Baler. My father had, besides his salary, a 2-hectare rice land which he cultivated. While I was a boy and during my early youth, my father saved as much as he could from his meager salary and from what he could get from his rice field, only to have a few hundred pesos with which to give me an education. During those Spanish days, a Filipino family could live in a small town on 4 pesos a month and a supply of rice. Thus did my family live 4 years. When I was at the age of 5, an aunt of mine started to teach me to read and write. My own father and mother and the priest of the town later gave me my primary instruction. At the age of 9, I was brought by my father to Manila and began my secondary education at San Juan de Letran College. First, I lived in the convent of San Francisco, serving as a room and mess boy for one priest, receiving no salary except board and room. Then, my father moved me to the house of an aunt where for some pesos I roomed and boarded. The house was located in Paco, too far from the walled city for him who could only use his own feet as a means of transportation. My classes started at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I had to get up very early to reach my classes on time. Again, this impaired my health, and the following years, I was taken by my father to San Juan de Letran as an intern. I remained as an intern until I graduated as AB with the highest honors. By this time, the savings of my father had all been spent on my education. He owed money and simply told me that I had to stop my studies unless I could work my way through university education. I came to Manila and spoke to my Dominican professors who by this time had been very fond of me and told them of my situation. I wanted to be a lawyer but could not pay for my expenses. They secured a position for me as one of the helpers in the University of Santo Tomas with room and board and free tuition. Thus, I was able to take up the study of law.